Hi, welcome to All You Can Watch YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to apply for GPAT Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test 2021. So go to Google and search for Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test. This is not the exact site actually. So let's go back. GPAT 2021. Click on GPAT National Testing Agency NTA. This is the actual website. You have to come here and click here apply for GPAT 2021. It will redirect you to another URL. So for fresh registration, click on new registration. If you already applied, please go and log in. And here is the fee details. General category 2000 rupees, male and female. OBC, SC, ST people have to pay 1000 rupees. Transgender people 1000 rupees. Now you have to click on the terms and conditions. You have to read all the details. Don't worry. Now we are at registration process. You have to fill your personal details like your father name, family details, etc. etc. Please make sure the candidate's name must be exactly the same in qualifying examinations. Don't make mistakes here and try to reapply or edit. Don't try it. Just make sure you fill the correct details. Why you want to waste your time when you can click and create original without any mistakes? So yeah, candidate name, your name, father name, mother name, date of birth, your gender, identity card type, Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID card, anything. It will be useful. Aadhaar card. So enter your validity identity card number. That's it. That's personal details. Present address. Coming to present address, many people live in rented houses. They can give the rented houses address also. Otherwise you can give your home address. Both can be the same, both can be the different. Better if you are staying long, it will be better give the same address itself. So address, make sure the address is clear. Editing option they will provide. NAT team, National Testing Agent team, they will provide, but make sure you don't make any mistakes. If you don't make any mistake, you don't have to look for a date to edit your application, right? So never do that. This is the simplest thing. Just entering your details correctly. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Don't worry, don't panic. So address details, location, city, village, state or union territory, which you belong to. Please specify that. District and a PIN code. PIN code is compulsory. And alternative mobile number. Please give alternate mobile number because it will be helpful if you lost the primary number. And mobile number, mail ID, make sure you have proper connectivity, because these are the things you get alert from NAT, National Testing Agency, for any GPAT, Graduate Pharmacy or JE, anything. So make sure you don't lose that details, and give a valid details also. Don't give a dummy or fake things. So click on same as present address. You don't have to fill again. That's it. Same as present address there. Now choose your password. Password must be 8 to 13 letters long. One must be uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one special character, one number digit, 1 to 10, anything. So yeah, that security question. Please choose a security question. Which food you like, which books you like, which books you read. Those are the questions. Please make sure you remember them or note it down. Security pin, enter the captcha code. Before submitting, particulars checklist before verified. Please make sure you have all checked all the details. This is the final submission button. So candidate's name, father name, mother name. Make sure you don't make any mistake, even spelling mistakes also. Cross check once again. There is no time limit, so please make sure keep a friend aside. He will look for it. She will look for it if there is any mistake. So don't worry. Please make sure all the details are filled correctly. Personal details, present address, communication address, final submit. Now the step 4 out of 4 we have completed registration process, first step. Now we are going to application form process. Now you have already entered candidate name, you don't have to look for it, these are default details. So now you have to select state or union territory, again residency, category OC, SC, ST, BC, select it. If you are physically disabled, select it. Are you diabetic? No, most people are. So you select it. Applied for, what are you applying for? GPAT or JE, anything. A pharmacy aptitude test. There are many list, drop down list. You must know that what you are applying for. Now you have to choose your examination choice. Locations, it must be locations. Please select your nearest locations. That will be easy to travel, and you don't really have to travel all the way long distance. So I made a mistake, don't do that, don't repeat a name again. Please make sure 4 different locations. I did make a mistake, I did a mistake over there, I'll change it again. So 10th or equivalent mark details. Obviously you have passed 10th, that's it. So make sure, if you have a percentage, select percentage, or CGPA, select CGPA, out of 10, out of 9, maximum grade points, how much you have got. That's it. 10th board details. Please enter your 12th standard details, or intermediate, junior level, senior level, whatever. Please select it. Class 12, name of board, university which you have studied in 12th standard or equivalent class. So results, percentage, total marks 1000, I think, I guess, no, sorry, okay, 1000, obtain marks, percentage, graduate marks details. If you have any graduate details, fill in it, otherwise just leave it. You can Bachelor of Pharmacy, that good. Which university you are looking for that? Andhra University, Telangana University, Karnataka University, JNTU, Bangalore University, KL University, Vishweshwaraya Technology, Damodaram Sanjeevaya. Select it. Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University, Anantapur. Please make sure you have select board of universities. I'm not getting this candidates college here. There are many JNTUs, actually Jawaharlal Nehru universities, so this is a bit confusing. Enter security pin. This is case sensitive. Yes, I told you that there I have made a mistake. I selected Hyderabad 2 times, so make sure you select different locations. Now if you don't see any new name, please go back to reset and select again the state first. Now it will show me again the error, so I'll make sure and go back and edit it. Now I can change it to the little strict. You have to follow it. Telangana, that's it. Warangal, Hyderabad, this is only giving me 3 options. Let's wait. If you don't face any problem, we can proceed further. I'm just checking it. Okay, you have to opt 4th choice from different locations. Now you have only 3 locations in your state, I think. So if it gets you have 4 options in your state, better go with it. Security pin, sorry, it's a capital D, I missed it. Sorry guys, so that's it. Everything is correct. The security question is wrong. XX0845. No, it will be successful. Success. Security pin. What, man? I entered the correct details only. 3A. Yes, edit applications. No, my name for particulars to be checked before you go further. Mother name, father name, date of birth, gender, category. Please make sure you check all the details because this is the final submission for the second process. Your date of birth must be. You must check all the details. You can edit here itself. So make sure you enter the correct details itself here. Year of passing, 10th or equivalent board, 10th qualification, 12th qualification, graduate qualification. Now click on I agree and final submit. Now the step 2 of application process is completed. Now we are going to step 3, which is document or photograph signature upload. Make sure you have the minimum size is 10, maximum size is 200. Make sure in between 15 to 150 to 180. 100 to 180, that's a good amount of ratio. So even for signature 4 to 30, it will be 20 to 30 KB. That's a good amount, good result. That will show you good results. So don't exceed the limit. Don't be most people have the maximum size of MBs of photos. So make sure you get in 30 KBs or use any online tools to resize your images. You can use, there are multiple online image tools to resize. Self-verified, please make sure you check the self-verified signature, self-verified photograph, and also provide a latest photograph. Now we have completed step 3. Now we are going to step 4, application fee payment. This is the final step, guys. Make sure you have a secured internet connections. Don't share your password with anyone. So select a payment gateway. Don't exit now itself because we are going to see how to download application form also. Now this is then completed and you have to select the payment gateway. Any gateway, don't worry, select anything. It doesn't matter. It will anyhow redirect to credit card or Visa card, anything. You can pay with any card, Visa, Master, International, Mastro. So select credit or debit card. Debit card, if you have a debit card, use debit card. Credit card, if you have a concession, you can use anything. You can have, if you have a net banking, you can select it. UPI payment is also available. You will get an UPI address. You have to pay. They will send you a link to pay. So select if you want to pay through UPI, sorry. Universal payment gateway, net banking. I'm choosing a, select your bank. If you're choosing net banking, I'm showing different ways. So I'm saying through net banking because I remember my password. 1000 rupees, 4 rupees are extra handling charge of 4.72. So make sure you have if you have a bank logins, you can log in, or Axis Bank, ICICI Bank. Make sure you remember the password. Don't make any mistakes here. Yeah, 1004 rupees. Yet enter security code. Yeah, please subscribe, guys. This is a video I'm making, putting in some efforts to make videos. So make sure and support me. I'll make if you need any information, please comment down. I'll definitely reply you guys. Please make sure subscribe and share that. Share it with your friends. It might be helpful for other people. Yeah, click here to go back to your actual menu. So see green symbols. You have completed every steps. That's it. Download the confirmation page. Now you have completed everything. This is the final application form you have got. So these are the details you have entered. Make sure save these documents in your email ID or anything because it will be useful in further. And please make sure subscribe. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.